Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy that you're here. If this is your first time watching, my name is Barbara and I do fashion and lifestyle videos every single week here on my channel. So today guys, it's all about Drapefit. It's my 31st fit. So if that interests you, I would love for you to keep watching. Alrighty guys, so this is not a try on and I am not on here today, but I'm in front of my window on my desk in my other studio. So we're going to go through these pieces, okay? They're really nice pieces, but unfortunately they just don't work for me, so that's why there's no try-on, but I did want to share these pieces with you all today, okay? So let's start with the first piece. But before we do, if you're not familiar with Drapefit, they're an online styling service. And you go online, you fill out a style profile of your likes, your dislikes, and your budget, and a stylist is chosen for you, creates 5 items, sends them to the privacy of your home, and you have 5 days to try. And you also have, there's a $20 styling fee, but I do have a $25 credit for anybody who's new and would like to try Drapefit for the first time, and that $25 will get applied to whatever you keep. Alrighty, let's get into today's video. Alrighty, so the first piece I want to share is this really pretty poncho. This is like a beautiful tealish green. Now teal can lean towards more blue or green, right? This is more of a green, okay? And it does come with a hood. All right. And it's a really pretty color. I'm trying to see if I could show this to you. It's a fringe hooded poncho and it's in teal blue. Okay. This is for $19.99 and it does have a really beautiful fringe on the bottom. Okay. I'm not really a poncho girl. I don't like my arms to feel like they're just, I don't know. I'm more of a kimono girl than a poncho girl. But it is a really pretty piece. And I think it's just too warm right now because we are in spring in PA. And I think this would just be too warm for me. And I'm not really loving the hood. But it is really beautiful. So that's the first piece. Okay. The second piece is this boho blouse. I love a good boho blouse. You guys know this. So this is the print. Okay. And this is called a Leyden front tie pullover blouse, color black. And this is the color. It's like a real pretty, I would call this more like a celery green, but more in the lime family. We have some corals and pinks, but this is more of an orange than a coral. And I'm seeing this a lot in fashion, you guys, you know, with the corals and the pinks or the oranges and the pinks. It's just really hot right now for 2025. You definitely would either need something under this because it is sheer, or if you're fine just doing a nude undergarment, I would probably want to wear something under this. It's really cute with this little notch collar. I love these little crochet details. Are these open? Let me see. Yep, they're like an open knit. Really pretty. And this is a crop style and it does tie. Okay, that's your back and this is your front. Okay, hopefully I'm representing this well. And it does tie. Okay. So you would, that's my doggie, I'm sorry. She always wants to be by her mommy, but her feet have to dry right now. So yes, she touched our orange door that was wet and yeah, okay. So there you go. It ties like that. And it does have these really beautiful elastic sleeves. Really billowy and beautiful. I do love that. The only thing I don't like about this top is it's a tummy top. Like it shows your midriff and I'm not happy. I don't like that. Like if you wear a really high-waisted jean, you should be fine. But I'm going to be 52 and I don't really like that. So because when you tie it, it has this little opening right here. And let me see if I can show you. See that little opening? So your little belly still sticks out. So, but it is pretty. You could definitely wear it. If I was going to keep this, I would wear it with a, either a bodysuit or I would wear it with like a tank top or something like that. Okay. So unfortunately that didn't work for me. That one did fit though, but I was not going to share that showing belly. Okay. All right. The next piece is this beautiful piece. I believe this is, who is this by? 3/4 sleeve V-neck floral top color white. And who is this by? Hold on. This is by Style and Company, size large. So this is a V-neck. This is very pretty. It has, it doesn't fit me. It's too tight. This is a 3/4. It looks like cotton, right? It's like a cotton feel. And it's a very beautiful top. And I don't know. I mean, I'm still thinking about this one. I don't know. It's really pretty though. I do love the blues. See, those are the color blues in it. And I think it's very pretty. All right. The material on this, I know the other ones was polyester. This does feel like a cotton, but I'm not sure. Nope. This is, yes, cotton 40, poly 60. So yes, it does have that cotton feel. It definitely did. So this is very pretty. This is beautiful white jeans. This is very pretty with a light wash jean. And it's breathable, you know, a little bit because of that cotton. Now this one's $31.99. And I think that's a good price. I don't remember this top off of my head. I know the poncho was $19.99. I'll have everything linked down in the description box, all the prices and everything for you if you are interested in this top, okay? But it's very pretty. I might end up keeping it. I mean, it's fitted. Like it feels like it doesn't fit as well. I might have to get one size bigger. I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet. Okay. So that's really pretty. Oh my gosh, that dog. Alrighty, the next piece. Such a beautiful day out, but it's chilly out today. Okay, these are a mid-rise skinny jean. Okay. And these are by Style and Company as well. That reminds me of like New York and Company, I think it is. These are a size 10. Okay. And these are like a velvetine material. And they're just a navy blue skinny jean. These are way too tight on me. Really, really cute though. I already own one. Oops. Sorry, guys. I'm so sorry about that. I'm not filming with a ring light or nothing, so bear with me today. Okay, so these I already have a pair from Drapefit in a navy blue, so I didn't need to. So I wouldn't be keeping these anyway, even if they did fit. But, you know, they are pretty. It's a curvy skinny too, but wow, these don't even button on me. They're too tight in the legs. I don't know, maybe I'm just into the, you know, these are just too tight on me. They don't work. But they're really, really cute. I don't know the price offhand, but again, I'll have everything linked. Okay, so that's what these look like. And they're a beautiful deep navy. Okay, really, really pretty. And yeah, so, okay, alrighty. And the last piece is this dress. Now, they have sent me wraparound dresses before. This is pretty, but it's way too tight. It won't even go on. Okay. This is the bell sleeve floral wrap dress color cream. Now, I would not say this is a cream. I would say this is more of a light pink, like a peachy, light pale pink. Okay. With pops of blues in it. Really, really pretty. I'm going to try to represent this the best way I can. As you could say, like it's open. So it's a true wrap, guys. A true wrap. This is so pretty. I wish it did fit. I would have kept this in a heartbeat, but it just didn't work for me. And I don't know. Now, if you do exchanges and you want to try to get a bigger size, you know, they do their best to try to send that out to you. But I wasn't sure if I really like this wrap style because it's a true wrap. So that's why it made me not want to get it bigger because of that. But look at this. Look at these sleeves. Aren't these beautiful? They're so, so pretty. See, that's a beautiful blushy pink. I would say it's blush because you know how blush leans more towards, you know, like in that peach family. So, yeah, this is more of a blush. I would call this a blush. And then, of course, these are your teals. And this would be really pretty, you know, probably with the poncho over it. But the poncho's a different tone. So, no, I'll take that back. But this is really cute. So we have some grays in here as well. Okay, pretty teals. And then an olive green with all that filigree, I mean, with the leaves going on. This is really pretty. I love this. But it doesn't work. And like I said, it's a true wrap. And I just am not into the true wraps. I do like like a faux wrap, but I don't like one that you actually have to wrap. Because I don't know. I think that, you know, it's going to, you know, come undone on you. So this is a Kylie Mae. Okay. And again, I'm not sure the price. Guys, you know my life's been like here. So I don't even know where I think it's down in my other studio. All of the, gosh, sorry guys. All of the prices and stuff I think are downstairs in my other studio. So I'm up here in my bedroom studio. So yeah. So I think that it was a good box overall. You know, my stylist always knows what to give me. I did truly love the peasant top with the bright colors, but when I showed it to my husband, he just like, no, those colors don't work for you. And I didn't like the belly part of where it still shows your belly. If it didn't have that open in there, then I would truly wear that as a crop top because then I'm not showing midriff, but I just didn't like that. And it was, you know, because of that reason, I didn't try it on. The wrap dress, it just didn't work because it just, yeah, it's a true wrap. The blue and white floral top, I might consider keeping only because I think I can get a lot of wear out of that. But I have to maybe ask for a size up. I'm not sure yet. I don't know. I'm going to have to try it on again, but it seems like it was just too fitted. Like I have muscular arms from working out for so many years that my husband was like, you have to shop at Dick's. No, I don't. Anyway. And then the poncho, I don't know. I don't like anything tight to my neck like that. And it feels like when it was on, it just was getting too tight on my neck. And also, it just seemed big on me. I didn't like that at all. And the jeans, they were just way too tight. I mean, even in the legs and the waist, they are just, yeah. And it's not my style. So, but overall, I think it was a cute box. You know, if you guys are brand new to Drapefit, consider giving them a try, you know, because I've been with Drapefit. I've been working with them. This coming June is going to be 3 years working with this company. And I love Drapefit. They are amazing. I mean, a lot of my wardrobe consists of them, you know, of their pieces. And I really do like what I get from them. But sometimes, you know, with any subscription box, you might not get something that you might not like. And also, what I love about using boxes, you know, of where they, you know, sent to your home is that you go to a store and you try to like, you know, shop for something. You're like, oh, wow, I would never have picked that for myself, you know? So yeah, so I think it's really nice. So I wanted to get this video up for you guys. Happy Resurrection Sunday. I am filming this and I'm going to get this video up for you sometime this evening. I did put up a Let's Chat one. That was a rant one. And so yeah, so I'll be back on here real soon. So if you love fashion and lifestyle, please consider subscribing to my channel. And it would just bless me so much. I love each and every one of you, and I pray that you have a blessed, glorious week ahead, and I pray that you have a blessed, happy Easter. And Until next time, keep it real, keep looking up. God has all the answers, and make it a great day, friends. And if life gives you lemons, make some lemonade. Bye for now.